let's compare Dropship.io and CJ Dropshipping. So these are two of the most popular dropshipping platforms on the market. Both platforms offers a wide range of features and services to help us find and sell products online. However, there are some key differences between the two platforms. In this video, we'll compare them according to their features, prices, advantages, and disadvantages, so you'll know exactly which platform is right for you. If you want to use them, I strongly recommend you to use my links in the description. You'll get the best possible conditions, free trial, best prices. Just simply find and use the necessary links. So Dropship.io is a cloud-based platform that allows you to connect with a network of suppliers and sell products from their catalogs. CJDropshipping is a web-based platform that provides you with access to a large database of products from Chinese suppliers. And Dropship.io is designed for both beginner and experienced dropshippers. The platform is easy to use and offers a range of features that make it a good choice for those who are just getting started. Instead, CJDropshipping is also a good choice for beginner dropshippers, but it's also popular with an experienced dropshippers who are looking for a reliable source of Chinese products. Dropship.io offers a range of features including a product catalog with over 1 million products, a supplier directory with over 100 suppliers, order fulfillment and tracking, and a good customer support. CJ Dropshipping offers a range of features such as product catalog with over 400,000 products, supply directory with over 200 suppliers, order fulfillment and tracking, product sourcing tool, and a dropshipping training course. Let's talk about the unique features. Dropship.io has automatic order fulfillment, product sourcing, supplier management. So it automates the order fulfillment process. You don't have to worry about manually processing orders. Also, they have product sourcing tool, helps you to find products that are trending and in demand. And supplier management tool helps you manage your relationships with suppliers. CJDropshipping has private label and custom packaging, so it allows you to create your own private label and custom packaging for your products. Product bundling allows you to bundle products together to create custom packages with your customers. And warehousing and fulfillment, CJDropshipping offers warehousing and fulfillment services to help you store and ship your products. Let's talk about prices. You can try to use them for free, and after that to decide which plan is the most suitable. So Dropship.io provides us the opportunity to use between 3 plans, and Dropship.io this and like CJ Dropshipping the same. So let's talk about pros and cons. Dropshipping.io is like easy to use, huge range of features, good customer support, but can be expensive and not as many products as some other platforms. CJ, large database of Chinese products, private label and custom packaging, warehousing and fulfillment services, but can be difficult to find high quality products and shipping costs can be high. So Dropship.io and CJ Dropshipping are both good dropshipping platforms. Dropship.io is a good choice for those who are looking for an easy to use platform with a range of features. CJ is a good choice for those who are looking for a large database of Chinese products and a range of value added services. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. So find the links in the description, use them, get best conditions, support my channel. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.